All right, guys, we are back in what I am affectionately calling the B Lounge. This is the family space that we all come to relax and retreat from a long, hard day. This is where my love does his gaming. He watches a game. He may just vibe out, just chill, listen to the music, whatever he does. This is his go-to place. And because I love him so, I want to make this space as comfortable and cozy and masculine as possible for him. Although he insists on not claiming it as his own, I still want to give it a very masculine feel. And as you can see, I have started the transformation and tried with different placements of things in the space, but we want to make it a little bit grander. So let's get into it. But before we do, I want to give a shout out to today's sponsors, YitaHome. You guys, they have come through again with another amazing furniture piece for my love and I to add to our home. And this, you guys, is a filing cabinet that we're going to use for our entrepreneur endeavors. So my love is doing what he does best. That is assembling the pieces that I go on and select. So I'm going to chime in and tag team with him a little bit, but I'm also working on another video simultaneously. So I will leave him to man the assembly and I'll chime back in from time to time. But you guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy as he prepares this piece. Now, a little bit about YitaHomes, guys. They provide a plethora of items for your home, whether it's a home office, your bedroom, your living room, your dining room, your kitchen, even your outdoor space. YitaHome is a go-to place to find items to complete the look of your homes. I will definitely leave a link in my description box along with a discount code for your shopping pleasures. You can find them on Amazon or you can shop directly on YitaHomes.com. So thanks again, YitaHome, for this amazing piece. It's definitely going to come through for us as we power up as a couple. So now let's get into the assembling of it all.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, 'cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So give it up, haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
All right, guys, so my love is working at record speed. Like I said, I was working on a video simultaneously as he was assembling the file cabinet, and I come back and he pretty much has it done. I absolutely love it. And what I come back to the second time is this. He has it completed. It's going to be perfect for us. I love the fact that it comes with locks on the actual drawers. It gives us ample storage. We can build on top. Just so many things with this piece. It's definitely going to work in our home office. So thanks again, YitaHomes, for this amazing piece. You guys, I love it, and I hope you love it too. So back to what you guys have been waiting for and what you come here for. I give you the B Lounge. Sit back, relax, and enjoy a tour of the space, and I'll chime in later with the details of everything. Enjoy!
I found love, the real love. Let this be the real thing. Tell me now, what's on your mind? Whisper soft to me that you want me. There's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time, I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips, it's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you, kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now, I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a fling. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing.
Starting with the details on this wall, you guys, these two C tables are from Amazon. I just have them pushed together to give a console look. I got the pillow from Hobby Lobby several years ago. The trinket boxes are from Burlington. Books are from Amazon. Pumpkin also from Burlington. I had to add that little splash of fall. Moving up to the wall, you guys, the glittered wall art or abstract art is from Ross, and the mirrors are from Inspire Me Home Decor. The dresser is part of my bedroom collection, and it will be leaving this space very soon. The sofa, you guys, or the sofa cover is from Mama Mia Covers. I also did a collaboration with them, but let's talk about the beautiful elephants in the room and in these gorgeous pillows. They are from Monet Home Decor, guys. I absolutely love working with Deasia. She has an amazing collection of pillows. Everything in this space just flows so perfectly. It's sexy, it's masculine, it's cozy, and very inviting. Just because you have a small space doesn't mean you can't make a big impact. I got the ottoman, you guys, and the area rug from Amazon. The faux fur throw is also from Amazon, as well as the window treatments. But these pillows, you guys, are absolutely exquisite. Deasia does an amazing job with the detailing of her pillow collections. She carefully selects beautiful fabrics that would stand the test of time. They are so classic, so elegant, and so well made. So I love her. I will have information linked in my description box for your shopping pleasure. Guys, all of my coffee table books are from Amazon. Again, that pumpkin is from Burlington. Window treatments from Amazon. The black pillow covers also from Amazon, and all of my inserts are from Amazon. Everything that I can link, you guys, will be linked in my description box. Now, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. I would love to have you come along and be a part of this royal journey with me. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Now, guys, I will have all the information linked in my description box, along with my Amazon store, so you can shop 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, to your heart's content. Also, guys, connect with me on my other social media platforms. I can be found at Royalty Designs with Trevina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Hit those notification bells, guys. Until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have a blessed and beautiful day. See you in the next one.